documentation is insufficient, a developer has to hunt for more details. So this plugin solves the pain point. If you are a WordPress developer or a designer, you want to find out which hooks to use on a custom theme or a plugin. So most themes and plugins come with documentation, but documentation is not always complete because not everything has to be documented. Created a simple utility tool called All the Hooks. It's a plugin. You can use it on local dev environment and find out what are the hooks available in a theme or a plugin. Let's take a look. So this repo is public. You can read all this. I don't want to read everything. So let's discuss the features. So you choose a theme or a plugin and scan it. That's it. So if you want to just see actions, you can filter out the actions, and if you want to filter only the action hooks and filter hooks, you can do. Output format is an HTML, and also you can use CLI. You can get the output in JSON and Markdown as well. So if you are using AI LLMs, you don't have to burn tokens to find out what hooks are available in a theme or a plugin. Instead, just use this. Install it in your local site or in your developer environment. That should be it. Like, it comes with CLI commands if you are a CLI wizard, or if you prefer UI, it comes with modern UI as well. Let's take a look. So here are the commands. I installed it in my local dev site. So once you install and run the installation, so you have to install the npm packages and stuff. So once you have it, you get this screen. You activate the plugin, go to the all the hooks screen. You can see options, plugin or theme. If you choose the plugin, let's say I want to take a look at Performance Lab, and I want to filter out only the actions and include the DocBlocks and in HTML format. So I got it. So this is a hook, action hook, and you can see the callbacks. And you can also filter by defined here or use the external. So this is the defined headers and external hooks. So this is WordPress hooks, right? So what are the hooks that specific plugin uses? You can find like this. You can download the results. It's in JSON format. And you can also do the same with the theme. For example, 2024. You can filter out what actions or all the hooks that are used in it. Give it a try and let me know. Just like version 1.2.0, I know there is a potential, there's a use case for this, and also this can be improved. PRs, comments, not just critical, any feedback is welcome. I'll see you.